Bekusikhathi lapho khona lo mndeni ulangatelela kufika kwaMandisa Malandisa lomunye wetitjudeni lebekavaleleke eUkraine. Kubese kuba nekwehla kwemoya ngalesikhathi atseleke esikhumulweni setindiza eOR Tambo. Bekahamba nalomunye lafunza naye. Lomunye naye lobe nobumadima nakucala lempi eUkraine.
Traveling for 4 days, not having proper food, no water, fighting for our lives, fighting other people, people trying to fight you, people stealing food, people fighting each other to get on trains, the racism at the borders, the low temperatures, freezing cold, us having to sleep on the streets.
It's been a 5 or 6 day trip, minimum sleep. I feel quite overwhelmed, but I'm really glad to be home. We didn't think we'd be home, honestly. From being in trains to seeing bombs to being stuck in borders for -3 conditions, sleeping on the floor without having food.
Labatali sebakhululekile emoyeni.
It was very difficult for us as a family, but we had to pray and trust God that He is protecting them. Not only Mandisa, all of them. I was praying for all of them. I was even praying for the whole of Ukraine. So God is so wonderful. God is so wonderful. He's so faithful. Yes, all I can say, I thank God.
Letitjudeni leti tibe nenhlanhla njengoba letinye tisavalelekile eMpumalanga neEurope. Kepha bathemba ukuthi batawuphotfula tifundvo tabo babe bodokotela. Bakujabulele ukuthi bakhonile kubuya ngemuva kwekutfolakala bahlangabetana nebumadima bangekho ekhaya.